they said we were too small to be trusted.
They didn't think that we could lead the way to a sustainable future.
They said, how can a toy solve a serious urban problem?
They didn't understand what I would invest in a dish that wasn't a crowd favorite. But what I saw
What I saw
Was opportunity.
could technology be the secret ingredients that perfect my signature dish every time?
Can we do the unexpected and become pioneers in sustainable technology for a greener future?
Can we create a superpower that shrinks neighborhoods and helps people go further more efficiently?
If we took an age-old product and removed its physical limitations, how far would it take us? We created smart locks that can be managed remotely, and by doing so, we're helping people unlock opportunities way beyond their reach, even in space.
It's not just waste that we gather. It's insights that unveil a smarter, more efficient future. We've redefined the boundaries of our industry. So much so, we've risen as trailblazers in tech, far beyond what everyone could foresee.
With technology, we have created a perfect recipe to stand out in a highly competitive industry. When I see families enjoying our meals, I know I have achieved my mission to deliver quality food at affordable prices, with a team that works together with pride.
We are in the business of connecting people, places, and communities. Our e-scooters have helped local shops and businesses welcome more customers from further away. And almost half of our trips replace car journeys, saving tons of CO2 emissions. Every venture is about reimagining what's possible.
Transforming our dreams, hopes,
And even our fears.
Into an unshakable belief
that what could be, will be.